If you're wanting to make your whole living off of ranching, this is the way to do it.
This is a 5-generation ranch that we're raising cattle on using regenerative grazing. The first 3 years we were able to increase our stocking rate by 30%.
Dr. Alan Williams, he came. No, I thought he was crazy the first time I met him.
But then he said, have you ever heard of high stock density adaptive grazing? And we said, no, we know about rotating cattle. We've done that for years, you know. Alan said, let's go out and take a look at your ranch. And I was driving and I said, Adam, what do you think? He said, Dad, that man's crazy. He said, we're not gonna move cattle every day. We ain't got time to do that.
I get to see all my cows, see a little over close to 800 head, and I can be done by 9 o'clock. I don't want to go back, there's no way.
Some of the first signs that we saw here, we started finding earthworms, and when you first came here, we couldn't find an earthworm.
No, we couldn't. Yeah, we couldn't beg, borrow, or steal an earthworm when you first started.
We'd have to import it.
Exactly. And then they wouldn't stay.
That's right.
They'd get the heck out of Dodge pretty quick.
You told us it was going to happen.
The majority of ranchers are barely able to just sustain their level of productivity. But what we're seeing when we implement these adaptive grazing principles and practices is that we see this steady rise that allows us to be able to not only increase productivity and resilience, but while at the same time being able to significantly decrease the required input cost.
Before, when we were traditionally grazing our cattle, we were grazing around 4 to 6 acres per cow. Now we're grazing between 4 to 6 cows per acre.
We have many ranchers that are still feeding anywhere from 4 to 6 round bales of hay per cow per year. Your forage biomass that these cattle are eating is already growing. It's here. You spent $0 cutting, raking, baling this into hay. Every acre can support 50 of those 1,000-pound cows. If you put 50 head on an acre over here, you better have a whole lot of hay that you're putting out along with those 50 head. They're going to be spending at least another $250 to $400 per cow per year.
We got connected with grassroots carbon. There were some initial infrastructure costs for us to get set up with this. By the time now that we've been working with grassroots carbon, our payments have paid for all of those infrastructure.
So that infrastructure is so critical because it allows us to be more effective, efficient, more profitable in everything that we're doing, and it allows our cattle to actually be more productive. We have seen ranch after ranch fail that are multi-generational. This allows the ranch to once again become economically viable. But even more important than that, it allows the ranch to become enjoyable again. You recapture quality of life. And if you're talking about your children or your grandchildren, they've got to know that they're going to be financially secure and be able to provide for their families, but they also want quality of life.